Subscribe to TechMeSpot channel and press the bell icon and never miss another update. Hi guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to block someone on TikTok. Okay, so you need to go to the profile of the person that you want to block. Okay, so in this case I want to block this Tom.com12. Okay, so let me tap on this username. Okay, and after that you need to tap on this three dots over here, and at the pop-up we got this option, block. Okay, so just tap on the block, and here we have pop-up block. This user won't be able to see your information on TikTok. Okay, so just tap on the confirm link. As you can see guys, it's now blocked. Okay, and suppose if you want to unblock the person again, so you can go to your profile, and after that tap on the three dots over here, and then tap on this privacy and safety, and at the bottom you can see this we have this block list. Okay, so just tap on that, and here you can see all of the user that you have blocked. So I have just blocked this Tom.com12, and suppose if I want to unblock, so we just need to tap on this unblock button. Okay guys, so you can see it's now unblocked. Okay, and if I go back and again go to block list, you can see it's not there. Okay guys, so in this way you can block or unblock someone on TikTok app. So that's it guys, thanks for watching. If you like my videos, please support this channel by subscribing to it. Thanks, bye bye.